Ice cream shops don't want you to know this. Just 3 ingredients, ready in 3 minutes. In a bowl, let's start by adding 400 grams of whipped cream. Now let's beat it for about 2 minutes. Once the cream doubles in size, it's at the perfect stage. Stop beating and add 395 grams of condensed milk. Now let's mix everything together again. To finish, add sprinkles to taste. If you prefer, you can also add chocolate shavings. After giving it a light stir, it's now ready. Let's transfer it to your preferred container. I'm using an empty ice cream tub here. I'll decorate with some sprinkles on top. Now just put it in the freezer until it sets. Look how amazing this homemade ice cream turns out. Super quick, easy, and delicious. Make it at home, I'm sure everyone will love it. A delicious and refreshing recipe for hot days. I hope you enjoyed it. This was another recipe from Poor Man's Kitchen. Take care. See you next time. Thanks.